So, yung pagsabi po ni VP Sara, attorney, na ang layunin ng lahat na ito ay para mapatalsik siya, no? Ito ba yung noble ba yung layunin ng Kamara to get to the bottom of the anomalous use of her confidential funds? Or did VP Sara bring it upon herself? Di ba kasi confidential funds, tapos siya din naman ang bumigkas ng mga threat na yun. Ito ba, did she create the scenario herself?
Mahirap sagutin yung mga tanong nyo, Miss Ali, no? But,
first question pa lang yan, attorney, ha?
Yes, I'll try my best, no? So, I'm coming from the perspective of ano ba yung nakasaad sa ating saligang batas, ano? At ano yung nakasaad sa batas. So, let's talk about the confidential funds, no, given to the OVP and the DepEd and also to the Office of the President. Kasi kung titignan natin yung regulasyon, yung joint circular na inisyu ng DBM, malinaw doon kasi na yung confidential funds ay dapat binibigay lang yan sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno na talagang merong mandato to gather intelligence that they use for their main function of law enforcement and also work that concerns national security. So in other words, hindi dapat binibigay ang confidential and intelligence funds sa mga civilian agencies na katulad ng Office of the Vice President at DepEd. Sa simulat sa pool, hindi na dapat sila binigyan ng confidential funds. No? So fast forward na tayo ngayon, no, na discover na nga ng COA, the Commission on Audit, na tila hindi yata nagagamit ng tama yung confidential funds. Meron silang nilabas na report na kulang-kulang yung mga dokumento, hindi napupunta sa tamang paglalagyan ng confidential fund. And by the way, we're talking about millions, hundreds of millions of pesos here. No? So hindi lang ito barya-barya. So this situation now, kung titignan lang natin yung facts, no, this certainly looks like corruption in a grand scale, no. Yung first impression lang ba? And therefore, kung ganon, based on yung COA report na yun, and we're talking about hundreds of millions of pesos, dapat nag-i-initiate na rin ng investigation yung ombudsman. Because on first impression, this looks like a corruption case, no? A corruption case that is malaki. So, pwedeng plunder nga. But it is the ombudsman who should be responsible for investigating it. Not Congress. Kasi ang Kongreso only has the power to conduct inquiry in aid of legislation.
Correct. My question is, why were they even given in the first place? It was approved by Congress and Senate, by committee, na bigyan sila ng Intel at Confidential Fund. And to make it worse, there was even an pronouncement by VP Sara that it was the First Lady who handed her those envelopes. So, where is the sino nagkasala, kumbaga? Who was the main player there? Inapprove ng Congress at ng ang confidential fund niya. Ito yung post-audit na after the fact na. So, are we going to go that far back na nabigyan sila tapos ginastos? Saan po ang culpability po doon? Sino?
All of them.
All of them.
Kasi malinaw yung DBM circular na confidential funds are only given to agencies that actually use confidential funds and intelligence funds. So law enforcement and also national security agencies, no? So the fact na pumayag yung Kongreso na bigyan yung civilian agencies ng confidential funds, they should bear responsibility over that, no? Given what is clearly provided in the circular.
Okay. So talagang, so it does, kumbaga, the buck didn't start with the VP. It started pa just the mere issuance of that budget to the OVP and the DepEd. Di ba? Kumbaga, di lahat po sila may sala.
Yes, kasi if the OVP asked for it, right?
Yes, correct.
The OVP asked for the confidential funds.
Oo.
Presumably, on good faith, no? Meron siyang naiisip na paggagamitan nun, right?
Oo, supposedly kasi that's where they recruit Di ba?
Right,
Yung mga
so
NPA,
yung
oo.
sa DepEd, di ba? So
Yeah.
let's look at it na it was requested in good faith, no? Na merong paggagamitan ng tama. But Congress, because you hold the power of the purse, right?
Yes.
You are responsible for spending or allocating taxpayers' money that is according to law, according to regulation. So when they allowed the allocation of confidential funds to a civilian agency, they already incurred some level of culpability there. Na bakit sila pumayag, right? They should have told the vice president na, look, hindi pwede, no? Kasi ito nga yung circular natin, sinasabi hindi pwede sa civilian agencies, no? So they should have done that, no?
Yeah.
That would have been the right thing to do. So right now, parang it also boggles the mind na bakit biglang they are surprised.
Yeah.
They are surprised na hindi nagagamit sa tama, right? Parang naguhugas kamay sila that they are not part of this problem.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.